go. In today's experiment, we used 7 segments. So, looking at our code, we used port D pins here, and we have 4 rows and 3 columns over there. So, and then in here, we this is the inside the array are the values of the keypad, and these values are the binary equivalent of the numbers of the keypad. So here's the binary value then converted to decimal of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So here we inputted it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then 0. Then here's the pound and number sign here. So in here is the ports, input ports in the Arduino. So port 8, 9, 10, and 11 for the rows, and analog 2, analog 1, and analog 0 for the columns. Here then that. Kita mo na. So here's the keypad. 7, 8, 9, 0.